Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate length predefined method of string class in Java. So let's get started. String class in Java has different predefined methods. String class in Java has different predefined methods where length is one of them. Length is one of them. Using this length predefined method of string class, we can find the size of the string text. Okay? We can find the size of the given string text using this length predefined method. Now let me go with the practical demonstration. Okay? Let me go with the practical demonstration of how to use this length predefined method of the string class to find the size of the given string text. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse ID. Here, I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class with some random name, let's say demo B, with main method. And inside this main method, I can create the string in whatever the way I want. Generally, everyone in the market prefer to create the string in the shortcut way only. So I'll prefer to create the string in the shortcut way. String, let's say name is equal to, here I'll just give some string text. Okay, this is a string text, or this is a string which is surrounded with double quotes. Okay, this is a string. Okay, sequence of characters surrounded by double quotes is nothing but the string. If I am assigning this particular string text to this name object reference which is declared with string predefined class, now if I want to find the size of this particular string, then how to find out? For that we have to use the object reference of the string dot, using the object reference of the string class, we have to call a method known as length predefined method. Okay, this is a length predefined method. So here we have to use a predefined method known as length predefined method. So this will give you the size of the, okay, size of the string. So you see the return type of this length is int. So here we have to write int size is equal to, like that we can say, and in the next line you can write system.out.println size, you print it out. Now run this code. So in the output, what should be printed? The size of this string should be printed. So what is the size of this string if I have to calculate it manually? You see, one character, one, two, three, four, space is also counted. So one, two, three, four, five, including space 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 should be printed in the output console, guys. 12 should be printed in the output console. When I run the code, you see 12. 12 is the size of this particular string. Okay. 12 is the size of this particular string. Now, this is how we have to use name.length, and some people will, instead of storing this length into a separate variable, guys, we can also print it directly. For example, instead of writing these two lines, I'll comment it. Instead of writing these two lines, I'll just write system.out.println. Either this way we have to follow, or we can also follow this way, name.length predefined method. Okay. So whatever the returned data is there, that will be printed by the print statements. Instead of writing these two lines, I can also write like this also. Directly I can say system.out.println name.length. Or I can store the size of this particular string into a variable which is declared with int type and then print it. Either this way you can follow, or this way, both are fine. Here if I run this code, I'll get the same output. I'll get 12 as output. Okay, fine. So here, one more thing I need to explain in this context. That is, in the previous sessions of this course, I covered a topic known as arrays, right? Arrays. How to find the number of elements in the arrays. For that, Java is providing a predefined variable known as length predefined variable. Okay? For that, Java is providing a predefined variable known as length. It's not a method case. For finding the size of the arrays, that is number of elements in the arrays, to find the size of the arrays, that is, to find the number of elements in the arrays, we have length predefined variable. But string, coming to the string, to find the size of the string, we don't have the length predefined variable. Okay, the names are same. Here length predefined variable, but here length predefined method. Here we have length method. Okay, Here we have the length method. Here we have the length variable to find the size of the strings. We have to use length predefined method. So this is predefined variable. This is predefined variable, length predefined variable, whereas this is length predefined method. So here to find the size of the string class, we have to use a length predefined method. To find the size of the arrays, we have to use length predefined variable. Okay. So in interviews, they'll ask you the question, what is the difference between length variable and length method? You have to say that length is a predefined variable used to find the size of the arrays. Length method is a predefined method of the string class used to find the size of the strings. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.